Hey there, fellow foodies! Welcome to another exciting episode of Cooking with Pampanga's Plate. Today, we are taking a culinary journey to the Philippines to whip up a mouth-watering dish, Pancit Canton Filipino Style. Get ready for a flavor explosion that'll have your taste buds doing the cha-cha. Let's meet our star-studded cast of characters for today's culinary masterpiece. We have got carrots, celery, red pepper, shrimp, fried noodles, pechay baguio, and last but not least, the maestro of flavor, hoisin sauce. It's like a culinary Avengers assemble, but tastier. Now, before we dive into the cooking frenzy, let's chop it like it's hot. Lynx, get those carrots, celery, and red pepper into thin, colorful strips. Remember, folks, we eat with our eyes first. So let's make it a feast for the senses. Time to get this party started. Heat up your pan with a little oil and toss in those vibrant veggies. Let them sizzle and dance around like they're auditioning for a cooking show. And now, it's time to introduce the VIP of the seafood world, the shrimp. These little guys are about to make a splash in our dish. Watch them turn from gray to gorgeous pink as they soak up all that flavor. Hoisin sauce, sweet, savory, and oh so delicious. Pour it on like you're auditioning for the role of Sauce Amelia. Remember, folks, there's no such thing as too much sauce. Next up, let's add some fresh pechay baguio. It's like the superhero cake that completes our dish, adding a pop of green goodness and a whole lot of flavor. Fried noodles. It's like adding the finishing touch to a Style. Served with a side of smiles and a sprinkle of culinary magic. It's a dish so good, it'll have you doing the happy dance around the kitchen. So grab your forks and get ready to dig in. Until next time, keep cooking, keep smiling, and keep spreading the love. One delicious dish at a time. This is Pampanga's plate sign. Happy cooking, amigos.